And yeah, hello everybody. Today I'm gonna be the presenter, as Anna and Giovanni are were not able to participate today. So first of all, welcome to the community meeting for the US EMEA friendly time zones. Please, I sent it already the document to the chat. Add yourself to the attendees list, and afterwards we can jump on to presenting the features and the agenda. So the first and the biggest update is the new features, which will be part of the KLT version 0.8.0. It's regarding the new possibilities of running Python scripts or custom containers as part of the Keptn tasks, or this case in part of Kubernetes jobs. More informations about the whole epic, why we implemented these features and whether we could, can be found in this epic. Here you can see the tasks that were already done. I guess other than from the documentation finishing, everything should be fine and working. So if you want, you can try yourself with with the image from the main branch. And let's look at the features. So as I already said, from now on, or from version 0.8.0, we have the possibility to run not only JavaScript or TypeScript scripts as part of the Keptn task, but also Python scripts. We support Python 3. Here we can see an example how to define such task. It's pretty similar to what users already know. But instead of defining the function in the spec, here we define the Python and possibility to run a Python scripts from a HTTP reference, from an inline function, and also from the config map. Additionally, there is a possibility to specify additional parameters or secure parameters, which can link as secret. So you can go through these examples by yourself. The PRs that are implementing the functionality are linked, so feel free to just go through them. There are quite some examples there, so you can go through it and try it yourself. And the second possibility to actually give users the freedom to specify any task with any image is then we implemented the container runtime. That's basically a possibility to define a custom container, which is basically a standard Kubernetes container, which you know from the pods, from the jobs, and such standard Kubernetes resources. So here you define the container with the name, image, and some comments. And therefore, this container is part of the job, which is executed as part of the Keptn task. Yeah, so the documentation is still in process, but until we release 0.8.0, I guess we will have it finished and prepared, so you all or the users can have a look at it and can try it out yourself. Another item from the agenda, as part of this epic and also other epics, we had some community contributions from Rakshit and Jeffrey. So big thumbs up for that and big thank you. The first validation webhook for KLT task definitions, it's pretty binded to the Python runtime and the container runtime. As currently there are multiple possibilities to specify multiple ways of running a Keptn task or multiple languages, so Python, JavaScript, TypeScript, custom container. We need to take care that the Keptn task definition is always valid, and therefore we always accept exactly one method. So either Python, either function, either the container. So please have a look to the validation webhook if you want to know how it works. And big thumbs up for Rakshit and Jeffrey for working together on this and implementing it.
Thank you.
Thank you as well. And another item from the community contributors, this is a PR from Rakshit, which isn't merged yet, but from the state we review it, it will probably be merged in the next days. There is actually adding a new field, so support for the time frame in Keptn metric. What does it actually mean is that part of the Keptn metric, we are supporting a range of an interval for which the data would be retrieved from the metrics provider. So therefore, the users have the possibility to define from when to how long or what's the interval range for the metrics they want to retrieve. This is basically just introducing the interval. We will have a follow-up by implementing the actual functionality. But for now, we already have at least the parameter to define the interval. Yes. Yeah. And that's the last item from the agenda. Please, if somebody has any new items here. I guess silence means no, so we can keep this meeting sweet and short.
I actually have
Okay.
something, but I didn't have time to add it to the doc. So as a new community member, trying to get a little bit more involved with the project and figuring out ways that I can help. Because I'm not a coder, I'm wondering if like there's owners for like each of the meetings, and if I can sort of take on like uploading videos to like YouTube and things like that after meetings happen, and how I would go about getting in touch with the people who are responsible for each of the meetings and like coordinating that effort in that way. Just to kind of help out on the things that I can do since I'm not coding. I'm gonna with Meg on docs stuff too, so I'm planning on doing some more docs things in the near future as well. So just wanted to check in and see if there's something that I can do to help in that way as well.
Sure, that would be very appreciated. Basically, in charge of the most meeting is Giovanni, and he has a backup who is Anna, and I'm the backup of Anna. So we're kind of at the third backup. So I do not have exactly information where these recordings and videos are uploaded. And to be honest, I do not know where I can find them. I guess it's uploaded in YouTube, but maybe Flo or Moritz can correct me. But to be honest.
So we do have a YouTube account for the Keptn CNCF stuff. Usually, as far as I know, Giovanni is the one who uploads those videos to YouTube after they've been recorded. So okay. I think for that, it would be best to sync with him when he's back in office. I think next week on Monday or Tuesday, he's going to be back.
Okay, sounds good. I'm happy to do that.
Thank you very much.
Yeah, for sure.
So any other items from the agenda? From the community or from somebody? So I guess silence means no. So thank you very much for participating. We can keep it sweet and short, and we can get some time back to our lives.
Awesome.
Okay.
Thanks, everybody.
Thank you everybody for
Thank you, everyone.
participating.
Yeah.
And
Thanks.
everyone.